need to recover all the money we lost in the war so we can rebuild our habitat.
Perhaps, Your Royal Majesty, have you thought of taxes?
But why would I give them axes?
Taxes, Your Grand Royal Supreme Exalted Majesty.
I just suck up. Yeah, that's what I said. Waxes.
Taxes, Your Majesty. Taxes are extra fees that are charged when you use a certain product or service.
Yeah, waxes.
Anyways,
Sure, but what would we tax?
we should tax all the things the colonists need to survive.
Okay, it's a deal. Someone go down to those filthy colonists and tell them that.
We'll go. Yeah, we're levels above the rest of you.
Cool.
Hear ye! By order of King Gabe's decree, all those colonists that live in this forest shall pay taxes to repair the habitat of the almighty hog and apex predators.
What the heck are taxes?
I think it's one of those things that you chop with. No, those are axes. Taxes! You will pay taxes! It means you will pay more for everything you need to survive in this land. We now own this forest, and if you want your own habitat, then you're going to have to pay for those materials.
What if we don't want to pay?
This is what happens.
It's actually quite cozy in here. Well, until I run out of air.
That doesn't sound so bad.
Yeah, what's the big deal?
You guys have always been loyal to that fat piece of pork.
Careful how you talk about him. You're one peck away from being skewered.
Fine, yeesh.
Be warned.
I've called you all here today because of the recent occurrences of these outrageous taxes.
Yes, we should protest against their pet count so this will never happen again. I totally agree. I eat leaves. My whole race will fall apart.
All of us animals should have the necessities we need to survive. We're going to need smugglers.
Oh, we got this.
Yeah, smuggling sounds great. Whatever that is.
Trust me, you'll love it.
colonists to survive.
Well, stop it, Earl.
Yo, what?
Hey.
What's going on here? There's a fight between the colonists and General Owl.
Well, don't just stand there. Help him.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, you! Knock it off or you're under arrest.
Or what, you'll play dead?
Oh yeah, I guess I could do that. But wait! No! Back up! Back up!
Oh God, I have to do everything myself. Do not fire unless I've given the order.
I feel dizzy.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I just need to lie down. I see a light.
No, don't go towards the light.
It's okay. I want to go. Goodbye, smelly world.
Listen up! We will get to the bottom of this dastardly deed. Everyone disperse.
We are here today to discuss the Austin Massacre and which side is guilty. Sergeant Scott, do you believe that the use of your silent but deadly weapon was the appropriate course of action?
Well, I was sort of hoping to say it before I could spray it.
Well, that's good enough for me. Case dismissed.
Oh my god, everything's getting so clear! Oh my god!
This is so annoying. This is so unfair.
Yeah, poor little buggy friend died and no one's doing anything about it.
Why are you yawning?
I'm not even supposed to be awake right now. I stayed awake just for this.
We should do something, but what?
We have an idea. We gotta hit it where it hurts.
Totally. What do you guys think about having a party?
Like a night party?
No, that's when the predators come out.
Okay, I guess I can stay awake an hour a day. What kind of party?
Here are the goods. But you're 10 days late.
Hey, you're lucky you got any food at all.
Is this the good stuff from the school campus?
You betcha.
With the organic fertilizer?
Yeah, it's got some fish emulsion in there. It's pretty high in nitrogen.
Now how often is it getting fertilized?
I find that you get better results using a slow-release fertilizer. Otherwise, it'll just wash out quicker. Less is more, you know?
Yeah, totally. The excessive nitrogen can have some pretty undesirable effects, especially on slow-growing herbs.
Unless it's basil, of course. You want that to be lush.
As lush as can be.
All right, what was I doing? Oh, yeah, my brain. That'll be 500 pounds with increased tax.
Okay, but where are the leaves?
Hey!
All right, let's make like a tree and leaf.
Wow, darling, I simply adore this place. Amazing decor, bravo.
Thanks, but don't be walking around like that. My house is very delicate, so it would absolutely be horrible if someone were to break it.
My heavens, what is going on?
I don't know, girl. It feels like there's an earthquake.
Listen here, I'm gonna be living in your house for a while. Cause this thing, the nickel, penny, quartering act. Okay, so my favorite food is a good trash pie with a side of moldy fish and stale chips. So get cooking. Huh? Come on, chop chop, get cooking.
Listen up, Birdie. We need to collect all the Patriot weapons in the courtyard. And then we need to arrest Sam the Underwing Adams. Got it?
They're on the move to the courtyard.
Which side of the stage?
I don't know. I'm a rabbit. I don't read lips.
We need a signal to figure out which direction.
I know. If they're coming from the right side, we can strike this pose. Oh, and if they're coming from the left side, we can strike this pose.
But why can't you just point to one side of the stage?
Because we wanna pose.
Okay, then. Okay, you butterflies go get set up. Now you, Pomo Deer Mouse, let us know when they're coming. Let's go.
The redcoats are coming. The redcoats are coming.
Colonists, we do not want to engage in battle with you. Lay down your arms and disperse immediately for your own safety.
What do we do?
Retreat! Retreat!
See, guys, we can do this. We will continue to fight for our freedom, for life, liberty, and the pursuit of habitat.
Got this.
Alright, so this is what we have. The unanimous declaration of the ADS Gardens and beyond, when in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve.
Yes, amazing, bravo.
Wait, I'm not even finished. There are still 1,295 words left, and I haven't even gotten to our list of demands.
Ooh, can we get a 5-pound bag of horseflies?
And 7 bushels of fresh berries.
And some extra soft bedding that's static free.
That's
Big picture, we're asking for our freedom, a government of our own, equal rights, no more taxes, our freedom to trade. Get it?
All right, let's sign this thing.
All right, Redcoats, this should be an easy victory. Let's drain the cereal out of this bowl. Eh? Eh? Okay, never mind. Charge!
realist.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything.
So, how is this war going so far?
This war is going swimmingly, Your Grace.
Wonderful. I see no reason to get off my rump and do anything.
But when has that ever stopped you before?
Go, 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 go. And on the count of three. Go, 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 go. And on the count of three. Go, 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 go. On the count of three, everybody run back to your fantasy. Now, go, 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 go. And on the count of three. Go, 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 go. And on the count of three. Go, 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 go. And on the count of three, everybody run.
I've never crossed the street before. I don't think I can do this.
Yes, you can. For too long we've been controlled by these tea-drinking predators. But we have survived another battle. One day we will live free from the chains of our oppressors. We will fight to our last breath to defeat the Fredcoats and gain our independence. Now let's go victory to onward. I mean onward to victory. Let's go. Yeah!
I think we've earned some time to rest on our florals.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend. The end of our elaborate plans. The end of everything that stands. The end, no safety or surprise. The end, I'll never look into your eyes again.
Well, what did you want to see me about?
Well, here's the thing. I feel undervalued. I'm a mammal and I'm ranked underneath a mollusk and an insect. I think I'm playing for the wrong team.
Ah, well, we could use someone with our defense tactics. How do I know we can trust you?
I can tell you where my army is heading. We're attacking on the western front.
That'll do. For now, pretend as if you are still fighting with the colonists. After the war, I believe we can find you a higher ranked position. Although I must warn you, if you do lie to us, there will be ghastly consequences.
Sounds good to me. By the way, how do you control your stinker back there?
Would you like to find out?
No, I'm out.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Fire!
Too busy earning, you can't get enough. Just busy earning, you can't get enough. You think that all your time is used. Too busy earning, you can't get enough. And I get it always, but I bet it won't change. No, damn, that's a boring life. It's crime. Busy earning, you can't get enough. Just busy earning, you can't get enough. You think that all your time is used. Too busy earning, you can't get enough. Just busy earning. You can't get enough.
Set, go.
Action.
We have to do something, but what?
Hey, what's going on here? We're protesting these horrible taxes. There's no way for us colonists to survive. And then what do we do?
Fly away just like you did.
Okay.
Cool. And action.
Be warned.
Cool. And action. Car. Can we get? Ooh, can we get?
Ooh, can we get a 5-pound bag of horseflies? And 7 bushels of fresh berries.
And action.
Can we?
Go ahead.
Ooh, can we get a 5-pound bag of horseflies? And 7 bushels of fresh berries? I did it. I did it the right way.
You did. And action. Okay, try it again. That sounds good. Okay, but where are the leaves?
All right. Okay, but where are the leaves?
Hey!
Action.
When has that ever stopped you before?
And action. Action. I bet they went all the way around. Action.
Oh!
Perfect. And action.
Well, why can't you just point to one side?
And just stay put. Brayden, please don't touch that. As weird as it is. Okay. Action.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Fire!
Action. Oh, that hit you in the face?
I grabbed this.
Action. And action. Are you okay? Oh, and action.
There's a fairy.
No, there's not a fairy.
Take your medicine.